Creating a perennial vegetable garden for self-sufficiency is a fantastic way to ensure a steady, sustainable food source while reducing your reliance on grocery stores. In the UK, with its unique climate and growing conditions, a perennial garden can thrive with the right planning and care. At our channel MtecHD, we're here to guide you through the steps to design a garden that not only provides for your table, but also supports biodiversity and requires less maintenance over time. Here's a question to get you thinking. What's your favorite vegetable you'd love to grow in a sustainable garden? Share it in the comments. The first step is selecting the right perennials. In the UK, hardy vegetables like rhubarb, asparagus, artichokes, and perennial kale are excellent choices. These plants come back year after year, providing reliable harvests with minimal replanting. Additionally, consider lesser-known options like sorrel, lovage, and perennial onions. Have you ever grown any of these in your garden? Once you've chosen your plants, the next step is designing your garden layout. Perennial vegetables often need space to grow over time, so ensure you plant them in areas where they won't be overcrowded. Raised beds or no-dig gardening methods work particularly well for UK soils, as they improve drainage and reduce soil compaction. What's your preferred gardening style? Let us know below. Soil preparation is key to success. Perennial vegetables thrive in nutrient-rich, well-drained soil. Start by adding organic compost or well-rotted manure to enrich the soil, and test your soil's pH to ensure it's suitable for the crops you've chosen. Mulching around your plants not only retains moisture, but also suppresses weeds. Have you ever used mulch in your garden before? Share your tips. Maintenance is much easier with perennials compared to annual vegetables. These hardy plants establish deep root systems, making them more drought-tolerant and resilient to pests. However, regular weeding, occasional pruning, and feeding your plants with organic fertilizers will keep them productive for years. How do you usually care for your garden plants? Another benefit of a perennial vegetable garden is its role in fostering wildlife. By planting companion flowers like comfrey or nasturtiums, you can attract pollinators and beneficial insects to your garden. This not only boosts vegetable yields, but also supports the local ecosystem. What wildlife do you often see in your garden? Watering is crucial, especially during the establishment phase. Although perennials are more drought-resistant, newly planted vegetables will need consistent watering during their first season. Consider setting up a rainwater harvesting system to make your garden even more sustainable. Do you use collected rainwater for your plants? Lastly, enjoy the fruits, or rather, vegetables of your labor. Perennial gardens are an investment in time and effort up front, but the rewards are plentiful. Imagine stepping into your garden year after year, harvesting asparagus spears in spring or kale leaves in winter. It's not just a garden, it's a lifestyle of self-sufficiency and connection to nature. What are you most excited about in creating your own perennial garden? Building a perennial vegetable garden in the UK is not only a practical step towards self-sufficiency, but also a rewarding journey in sustainable living. At our channel MtecHD, we hope this guide inspires you to start planting and cultivating a space that provides for you and the planet. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe for more gardening tips, and let us know in the comments how you're planning your own perennial paradise. Let's grow together.